Hey everyone, how's it going? This is a Learndash versus Thinkific video, and which one would be a better option for you? Now, if we look at the basic options, both of them have e-learning tools, things like that. However, Thinkific more affordable option. It has lackings of basic e-learning features such as assignments, prerequisites, and course certificates. And then again, if we look at Learndash, it is a bit more expensive, but obviously you do get more features. For e-commerce, Learndash is the winner because it runs on WordPress, so you have all of those LMS integration options, and WordPress, it's a very much established platform on its own. Next up, if we look at the design, both of them allow you to build beautiful and professional. Thinkific is easier, but with WordPress and Learndash combined, you get access to more themes, more customizations, so you can make it more professional looking as well. Both of them have high quality support. The only difference is that when running a WordPress site, the user is responsible for hosting, security, and maintenance. So you have to maintain it on your own. Flexibility, Learndash has a huge market of integrations and add-ons, so again, it is the clear winner. Now, pricing-wise, Learndash is a far more affordable option, and it delivers some of the most quality things. So at the end of the day, it comes down to your budget and also the preferences. What type of features do you need? And I will say go according to that. But in my sense, Learndash is the better option. And this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.